Hey traders, this is the trade of the week idea. So there's a disclaimer, not going to read it, but there it is. And don't forget that this is not a trade signal. We've discussed this at length in the live room, and this video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. Just remember also that all trade ideas are for educational purposes only. All right. So the trade idea is here on the pound New Zealand, and as you can see, this is the only chart we have that's trending. All the rest of them are ranging. So you can see here that we most likely have a 1, a 2, a 3. This will finish a 4 and then a 5. Okay. So we're looking to make the turn here. It may have already happened. As you see, we have a big exhaustion wick up here in the 240. Even on the 60, you can see that they have it here. Now they may want to go up there and tag that just to make sure it's tagged, just like they did over here. They just tagged it, make sure that it was out of the way, because until they tag it, then it's always a possibility for risk. All right. So if this is a fourth wave, it was set up here by the A, B, C right there. So we're looking for it to finish off somewhere up in here. It might have already done it and start the process of going down on a fifth wave. The target for today is down here at 75.30, but that's just today's target. The overall target is all the way down here at 7,200 right there. So you can see this is a big opportunity, right? Right there, and lots of opportunities. There's tons of T30s in there to add positions all the way down, and so it might happen, right? Will it happen? I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but as we look over here, you can start to see they were trying to turn it here, they're trying to turn it here, they're trying to turn it here. See that? They're trying to turn it here. Now these Heikenashis have not turned over yet, so still might go back up to their top. That's why we're waiting on it. But if we get this opportunity, it should be a pretty nice one. So there you go, just a trading idea. Hope it helps you. Talk to you soon.